Christian, boo. You my first pick even though I got options. But custom hoes in you, you made me go drug free.
Back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel. And if you're a new subscriber, what's up, what's good? Welcome to my channel. I'm Trianna and you should subscribe to the channel, period. As you can see by today's title, today is going to be another episode to my entrepreneur life. So today I will be unboxing all of my inventory with you guys. Not every piece of inventory because I still have some stuff that I do need to order and I need to ship, but I do have majority of my things that I do want to share with y'all. So I'm excited for this video. Make sure you give this video a like, comment, and share, and like I said, also make sure you hit that subscribe button. Let's get right into this video. I want to disclaim most of this stuff is open. I just want to show y'all so y'all can be aware of what I have. This is the first box and I think I got these from, I don't even know where I got these from. They are my lip gloss tubes, so boom. These are my first set of lip gloss tubes I have. So basically they come in this packaging or whatever, nice and sealed, and this is it. So this is my first lip gloss tube, and it's like a rose gold with silver bedazzled gems, so it's cute. And it opens like this. It's going to be a wand tube. I want a wand tube because when I do wand tubes, I be feeling so bougie, so I just like wand tubes. And the material is really good. Like, this feels more heavy and I like it. It's 5 milliliters, so yeah. And I do have the stoppers right here. So if you did not see my previous video, y'all should go watch that. But I will be sanitizing everything, so I think after this video I will be going to sanitize everything. I'll be boiling everything in hot water because hot water kills the germs. So yeah, so like I said, these are my lip gloss tubes. These are my first set of lip gloss tubes. Next we're gonna get into this box, and this box is from Amazon. I have a lot of stuff in here, so the first thing I got is my other set of lip gloss tubes. So they come like this, and this is how they look. They have the silver version to the ones I have ready, so they're 5 milliliters as well, and they come wand tube, so I really like that. So I really like these because it's like, I feel like this fits into the bougie criteria. We're gonna open this right now, but I'm pretty sure these are the 4 syringes, so I'm gonna open this. These are the syringes that I have. I know people say to order them bigger, so I did get more, so we're gonna see that in the video. And I got some pipettes, so I got 4 syringes, 4 pipettes. So yeah, y'all. I got these jars, and this is how they look. They are 6 ounces, and I'm just gonna be using these to put my face mask in. So I will be doing 2 different sets of face masks. So these are the 6 ounce ones, and I will be ordering either 4 ounce ones or 2 ounce ones for the lip scrubs and stuff. So yeah, I did not order my packaging for this yet, but it is gonna be ordered probably at the end of the night. So the next thing I have is my mailers, because like I said, I will be doing an e-commerce business. So I have my mailers that are holographic, and they're really cute. They're really small because I feel like I would be shipping out small items. So if I need to get the big ones, I'll get the big ones, but as for now, these are it for me. So next in this package is the lip oils. So these are like the scent, and I have like 4 different scents in here, but I don't think I will be using these scents because I discovered a new scents that I will be showing y'all in this video. So in this package here, I just have so much stuff, y'all. The coloring for the lip gloss. So I have all the colors I will be using. So I have I have white. I won't be using white, but I'll be mixing it to the chocolate one to make it like a light. I have light pink, dark pink, and the white. And I also have this thing right here to make the lip gloss more shinier. I don't know how to pronounce it, so I'm not going to embarrass myself, but it's basically to help with, you know, making it shiny. My lip gloss, I'm putting oil. So I went to the store and I got some oil. This oil that I have would be grapeseed oil. The thing I got was this vitamin E oil. coconut oil. This is essential, and a lot of people use these brands, so like, why not get these brands? Jojoba oil, some almond oil. I feel like these oils was kind of expensive. Like I paid $5 for this one, $12.99 for this one, $5 for this one. I paid $6 for this one, and $17 for this one. So I just feel like $12.99 for jojoba oil is too crazy. Next thing I got were these bags. So these bags are going to be used for when people decide they want to do like a pickup, or I'm not doing drop off, but when they decide they want to do pickup. So I have 1, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 here right now. I feel like I have more somewhere, but I have 15 here now, and these are going to be essential for, like I said, when I do my pickups. And I'm also going to be getting the crinkle cut paper to add inside my packaging. So, and I'm going to be putting like my logo sticker here, so I feel like it'll be cute. Y'all, I'm so excited for these packages right here. I literally did not open them yet, so we're going to open them on camera. Excited. Okay, we don't need this. We don't need this. Some more lip oil, so I'm about to hook y'all up. I got a lip oil. Here's the first one. Let me focus it. And this lip oil is Cinnamon Toast Crunch flavor. And I'm excited for this because a lot of people like Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Me, I never really tasted Cinnamon Toast Crunch, but to each his own. This one is Black Cherry. And you can smell them before you even open them. And this one smells really good. I really like this. Okay, Ma. Okay, Ma. I don't like that. Pina colada. I don't really like the smell of this, but it really smells like pina colada. Oh my god, it smells good, but I don't like pina colada. Like cherry. Like, she ordered another cherry one, y'all. So this one is called Cherry Berry. I picked none of these. This is the one I picked. So here is the last one. And I picked this one, and this is gonna be the Eucalyptus. I'm really a big fan of Eucalyptus. I feel like it's another way to relieve your stress, and it smells really good. It smells like mint, so I can't wait to use all of these. I have 5 of these and 4 of the other ones. And this package here, I already opened everything, but that's good. These are more lip gloss tubes, because I ordered like literally a lot. So, and they have the stoppers too. They come with the stoppers. Package is this one. I'm not sure what this is. I haven't opened it, so. Okay. I think these are more lip gloss tubes. They sure are, y'all. More lip gloss tubes. I'm about to take all of that out right now. The thing I bought was these plates so I can mix my lip gloss in, so I'm gonna show y'all. So it's really just like a clear bowl. I will be sanitizing this to put my lip gloss in it to make it. It's gonna be so cute, and I just feel like this was essential because what was I gonna make lip gloss in? Y'all feel me? The next thing I bought was these papers from Walmart. These is going to be used to take my background pictures on. Well, just mostly this one. The other ones I don't really fit into my color scheme, but I really just want to use that one. So I just really got it for that. To take my pictures with is this white little rug thing. I probably will be getting it in gray too because I feel like my color scheme is kind of grayish. So I will be investing in a gray one. I paid like $12 for this, and I didn't even really need it. Things that I got that I thought was essential was like these to mix my lip gloss with. And I'm gonna like make it match the aesthetic of my business, so I got pink and gray. So yeah, it'll be cute. Package is this one. And what's in here? It's the lip gloss base. So I ordered 2, and one of them comes with lip gloss samples, but I already decided that I wanted to make my own lip gloss, so I will be ordering more base by the end of the night. But yeah, this is my base from TK Trading, and this little package would be the thank you stickers, And then I think it just says thank you for supporting my small business. And I feel like I just ordered it to order it. I didn't really look and see, but I want to order some like fragile stickers because these delivery people be handling them packages rough. So I just want to make sure nothing breaks, so I need to order the fragile stickers. So I will be doing that too this week from Walmart. And I got these papers, and I will be using this to take my pictures on the back of. But I also will be taking them in like outside in the sunlight. I feel like that'll be really good. Okay, this is the next package, and I don't know what this is. I really don't. Where did this come from? I didn't get that. I don't know. I'll be just getting packages all the time, y'all. I can't keep up. For my packaging, I will be adding some little treats. So I just went ahead and ordered some little Laffy Taffies. These are like kind of like limited edition because they don't really sell these colors in stores. So I went ahead and I bought this. I will be putting these in my packaging, and bought the pink ones too. I went ahead and I ordered 2 of these because I will be adding these in the packaging. Okay, so you're gonna have some treats in your package. This is the order that I was really excited for. These are going to be my lip gloss labels, and I'm going to open those with you guys right now. This is going to be the first time I'm seeing them, so yeah. It says smile your orders here. Like, I'm smiling. Ah. Ooh, yes, I hope they look nice. These are going to be for the top of the jars. I hope they fit because they don't look like they're going to fit. Here are the lip gloss labels. So yeah, I'm excited for these. I'm going to be doing a little something tonight. Let me just try these on the jar. I don't really think these are going to fit, y'all, but I'm praying it does. The last package is so I get the rest of my stuff, but here is the last package. And I think these are just like syringes and stuff. Let me see. Alright, y'all, so here are the bigger syringes, so let me take them out. And it also does come with pipettes as well. So these are the syringes. They're 50 to 60 milliliters. So they're really bigger than the other ones I have. And also pipettes again. And then, y'all, I will be adding these in the packaging, so I'm excited about these. So yeah, oh my god, it's gonna be the end of my inventory haul. Like I said, there will be little stuff coming in, like little accessories and stuff that, you know, I will be using for my brand. So I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this video a like, comment, and share. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and make sure you're keeping up with my lip gloss journey. Make sure you follow my business page at the Bougie Bitch Cosmetics on Instagram. I will be leaving the Instagram on the screen and in the description box. Make sure y'all follow. Content is coming real soon, and I will be trying to release my business in sometime June, so I will keep you posted. Keep up with my Instagram to know when we're going to drop. And this will be the end of my video. Hope you enjoyed.
I got your back, trust me, and I ain't just speaking to speak. You know this shit for real.